Look at the third question. Question number 3. In the following figure, DE is parallel to BC. The moment DE is parallel to BC, what do we know? That the triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. We know triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, right? Now we clearly gives you the sides ratio. This is 3 and this is 5, which means the smaller side is 3. The larger triangle side is how much? It is not 5. Actually, it is how much? 8, right? Now AC is 4.8. Okay, AC is 4.8. Now what is AE? Right? So I can say AE by AC in what ratio? Can I say it is 3 by 8? Side should be in what ratio? 3 by 8 ratio. Because this is 3 parts, the larger one is what? 8 parts. Right? What is AE given? Nothing. AC is 4.8. This is 3 by 8. 8 ones are 8.6 are. Therefore, AE is equals to what? 3 into 0.6 is 1.8 centimeter. How do you actually do it in the exam? The moment you see AC, 8 parts is given as 4.8. Ignore the point. Okay? 3 parts is how much? 4 6 are 48. Sorry, 8 6 are 48. Right? 3 6 are 18. Therefore, 1.8 centimeters it is. You understand the proportion there? Okay, they have given that the sides are in the ratio. They have given it is 3 by 5, but it is not AD is to AB. It is AD is to what? DB. I told you in the exam, figures are not drawn to scale. Why am I saying that figures are not drawn to scale and how it is relevant to this? Look at the figure. AD is 3 parts, but what is DB? DB is actually 5 parts. But do you think in the figure it is given AD? By looking at the figure, which is greater, you think AD or DB? AD only. But in reality, according to the given question, okay, AD is only 3 parts, but DB is how many parts? 5 parts. Anyone, if you look at the figure and if you go by the figure, there is every chance you'll assume that AD is 3 parts and DB is only 2 parts. You may think it is 3:5. Because it's more easy if you think 3:5, the figure is exactly suitable, right? But it is not. Okay. So figures are not drawn to scale in the exam. Even if they say, see here also is saying AD is 3 parts, but DB is 5 parts. But DB in the figure is given as only 2 parts. So don't trust the figure with the values. Okay. Copy that. Look at the fourth one. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, the moment you know the similar triangles, we know sides are in the same ratio. When it comes to areas, area 1 by area 2 is equals to side 1 by side 2 whole square. Okay. To say it simply, if sides ratio is 1:2, perimeters ratio is also 1:2, heights ratio is also 1:2. When it comes to area, 1 square is to 2 square, which means if the sides are in the ratio 1:2, areas will be in the ratio 1 square is to 2 square. Suppose if it is sides ratio is 2 by 3, areas ratio will be 4 by 9. Okay. So when it comes to sides, perimeter, heights, all of them are unidimensional, like single dimensions only. Okay. So all of them are lengths only. When it comes to area, see for height, okay, perimeter or length of side, it will be in centimeters, one dimensional. Okay. When it comes to area, it will be centimeter square. I'm not talking about the length anymore. I'm talking about area. Okay, that is centimeter square. That is the reason sides, perimeter, heights, same proportion. When it comes to area, it is side 1 by side 2 whole square. Literally, if it is 2:3, that will be 4:9. If it is 3:4, that will be 9:16. Okay. Now, ABC is similar to DEF, and EF is given, and ABC area is also given, BC is also given. Then the area of DEF is asking, right? Now, tell me what are the sides? ABC is similar to what? DEF. Have they given you the corresponding sides? BC given, EF is also given, right? Area of ABC is given. I'm taking area of ABC is area 1. Area of DEF is area 2, right? What is area 1 by area 2? Is side 1 by side 2 whole square. Can you tell me what is side 1 by side 2 here? Side 1 is given as 3. Side 2 is given as 4. 9 by 16. Okay. A1 is how much? 54. A2 is, you don't know, 9 by 16. 1s are 6. A2 is equals to how much? 96. Since I'm explaining this sum, you have to do it in this way. But in the exam, what do you do? The moment you look at 3:4, areas will be 9:16. 9 parts is 54. The moment you look at 9 and 54, you know immediately it is 9 into 6 is how much? 54. Second one is 16 parts are how much? Yes or no? Sides ratio is 3:4 means areas ratio should be 9:16. In place of 9 parts, how much is the area given? 54. So 16 parts, 16 6 are 96. So usually you don't need to use the pen and paper for this. Okay, if you can identify. But see, similarity should be in the same proportion. When you take 9:16, you have to search whether they have given 9 or 16. Which means have they given the area of ABC or else have they given the area of DEF? If they have given area of DEF, we would have equated it to what? 16 parts, right? So most of the cases in the similarity questions, if it is not a complicated one, if it is a simple one, you just try avoiding it. Okay, avoid writing everything, drawing the figure and all. So simply look at the ratios. What are sides ratio? What are areas ratio? Once if you know the areas ratio, write down that proportion, right? You don't need to mention everything in the exam. Okay, copy that. The line segments joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle form 4 triangles. First of all, I'll take a triangle. ABC is a triangle here. Then after I'm taking the midpoints of them, let it be D, this one is E, this one is F. Midpoints means it divides it into 2 parts, X and X, Y and Y, Z and Z. You guys remember the midpoint theorem? Line joining the midpoints of line segment joining the midpoints of 2 sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of the third side. So if I take AB and AC, what is the third side? The third side is BC. So what is the length of DF? DF is half of the third side. So half of 2y means how much it is? Half of 2y is y. Understood? If I join the length of, if I join the vertices, midpoints of, okay, D and D there. If I join the midpoints D and D, then what is this length? Is Z. If I join these two, what is it? It is X. You understand this? Line joining the midpoints of, line segment joining the midpoints of 2 sides of a triangle is always half of the third side. This is the midpoint theorem that we have discussed. Okay. So if you look at DF, third side is BC, that is 2y means it is y. If you look at DE, it is half of 2z, that is z. Okay, EF is half of 2x, that is x. Now look at all small triangles. What are the sides of all small triangles? X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. There are 4 smaller triangles. All the sides are what? X, Y, Z. Look at the bigger triangle. What are the sides of a bigger triangle? The smaller triangle having sides X, Y, Z. Now the larger one having sides 2x, 2y, 2z. What kind of a triangle is smaller to the larger? Are they congruent or similar? Similar. Why do we say it is similar? Because the sides are in proportion. If they are equal in shape and size, you call them congruent. If they are equal in only shape means side should be in proportion. You call it similar. Okay, so all four smaller triangles are similar to which triangle? The larger triangle. Understood? So the answer is what? Similar to the original triangle. Original means larger triangle there. Understood? Copy that. Triangle ABC such that AB is equals to 3 centimeters, BC is equals to 2 centimeters, CA is equals to 2.5 centimeters. Triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. If EF is equals to 4 centimeters, then the perimeter of DEF is. Now look at the sides in the ratio. Okay. Look at AB, BC, CA. ABC is similar to what? DEF. In DEF, he is giving you EF. EF is corresponds to what? BC. What is length of BC? BC length is 2. What is EF length? 4. Which means every side doubles. What is the perimeter of the first triangle? 2 plus 3 plus 2.5, 7.5. Obviously, perimeter also what? Doubles. Therefore, what is the perimeter of the second triangle? 15 centimeter. If every side doubles, obviously what happens to the perimeter? Perimeter also doubles. What are the sides of the first triangle? 3, 2, 2.5. What would be the triangle or sides of the second triangle? 3 doubles 6, 2 also doubles 4, 2.5 doubles 5. So if it is 6, 4 and 5, what is 6 plus 4 plus 5? 15. Instead of doubling every side, find out the perimeter and double it. So I said sides, heights, perimeters in the same proportion. If side become double, perimeter also become double. Height also become double. Altitude, median, everything doubles. Okay, but when it comes to area, if side becomes doubles, area becomes 4 times. Copy that. Point D is on a point D on the base of BC of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB and AC are equal. In the figure, it clearly shows that AB and AC are equal and AD and AE are also what? Equal, right? And it also says angle DAE is equals to angle BAC, right? Take this angle as X, take this angle as Y, take this angle as Z. What is he giving you? X plus Y is equals to? Can I say Y plus Z? You understand the point here? Angle BAC means what? X plus Y. Angle DAE means what? Y plus Z. So he is giving you that X plus Y is equals to what? Y plus Z. If I cancel Y and Y, I can say X is equals to what? Z. Which means this angle is equals to what? Can I say this angle? Angles are equal. AB is equals to what? AC. AD is equals to what? AE. See, if I concentrate these two triangles, what kind of triangles they are? Sides are equal, angle is also equal. Sides are not proportion, sides are equal. If sides are proportion, I would have said it as similar, but sides are not proportion here. Sides are literally equal. So if they are equal, you call them congruent. So congruency, if I write triangle ABD is congruent to triangle AP. If triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. Okay. Corresponding parts, angle B, in place of angle B, what do you have? Angle C. What is it? Equal. So can I say angle APE is how much? 50 degrees. By looking at it, you can say these are corresponding. Therefore, if it is 50, this is also what? 50. Because two sides of this triangle, is given. All I have to prove is the angle between them should also be what? Equal. Yes, I proved it. So they are congruent. It is 50 means that is also how much? 50. Is it clear? Copy that. The sides of the triangle are 6, 12, and 13. So it's asking you what kind of triangle it is. You remember, if a square plus b square is equals to c square, what kind of a triangle it is? Right. If a square plus b square is greater than c square, what kind of a triangle it is? If a square plus b square is less than c square, what kind of a triangle it is? What is 6 square plus 12 square? 36 plus 144. Obviously, it is greater than what? 13 square. Yes or no? 36 plus 144. It is something around 180. It is greater than 169. What kind of a triangle? Acute. Acute means all the angles are acute angles only. So he says all three angles are what? Acute. First one is what? One angle is right, other two angles are acute angle. What kind of a triangle it is? First he says right. One angle is obtuse. This is obtuse. Third, there is no such triangle exist. Why? Because he says one angle is obtuse, means greater than 90. Other two angles are right angle and acute angle. If one angle is greater than 90, there is no way that the other angle is close to 90. Yes or no? Other two angles should be what? Acute only. You cannot have an obtuse angle and then right angle. Yes or no? In a triangle, you can't say that because if the entire angle is how much? 180. So third is actually not a triangle. Now fourth one is all are acute angle, which means it is an acute angle triangle. Okay, copy that. Two medians AD and BE of the triangle ABC intersect G at right angles. So medians intersect at right angles. If AD is equals to 9 centimeters and BE is equals to 6 centimeters, then the length of BD. So the two medians are AD and BE. So let me draw two medians and the triangle. They intersect right angles. Even if in the figure it doesn't show, but we have to take it as they are what? They are right angles. This angle between them is what? Right angle. I'm not showing it is like that. Okay, but it is. But if you want me to show, I'll try. Median. Still it is not a. Okay, something like this. But it doesn't matter. Even if I take it like this also, it's fine. You take it as right angles. I'm taking it like this only. What is the angle between them? Right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle. Okay. And what are those? What is this? A, B, C, and D and E. AD, see, we know that median, okay, centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Entire length of AD is how much? 9. 2:1 means 3 and 2. 3, oh, sorry, 6 and 3. Because 2:1 means how many parts? 3 parts. 3 parts is 9. Each part is 3. So 2 3 is a 6, 1 3 is a 3. BA is what? 6. 3 parts is 6. Each part is 2. 4 and this one is AD. This one is B. So it is 4 and. Can you see a right angle triangle here? Right angle is not at D, but right angle is here. Therefore, 3 and 4 means what is hypotenuse? BD is equals to under root of 4 square plus 3 square, which is equals to what? So what is the length of BD? It is 5. You understand it's a right angle triangle? What are the sides of a right angle triangle? 3 and 4. Okay. Triangle ABC, the bisectors of the internal angle B and an external angle C intersect at D. One is internal angular bisector, another one is external angular bisector. They intersected what point? They intersected D. You remember if what is the angle between internal angular bisector and external angular bisector? It is half of angle A. Yes or no? Now this one is given as 50. Then what is angle A? Angle A by 2 is 50 means what is angle A? Angle A is 100 degrees. You remember this figure like this? It is D. It is A. It is 50 means what is A? This is one internal angular bisector. One is external angular bisector. Copy that. In triangle ABC, angle C is an obtuse angle, and the bisectors of the exterior angles at A and B meets BC and AC produce the D and D respectively. You need to try to understand the figure first. A is what kind of an angle? Obtuse. Sorry, C is obtuse angle. I'm taking C there. I'm taking the bisectors. This is one bisector. This is another bisector. External angular bisectors. What kind of bisectors they are? These are external angular bisectors. Okay, let it be C. This one is A. This one is B. You're extending AC. I'm extending AC like this. I should actually meet like this. I'm taking much more like this. External angles. I'm extending AC. I'm extending BC. This one is C, A, B. See, if you extend BC, it meets at what? D. AC produced at D. Okay. Now he gives you AB is same as AD is same as. Yes or no? Now, what should I take this? I'll take it as 2x because I know this 2x, 2y very well. This one is 2x. This one is 2y I'll take. Therefore, the external angular bisector becomes 90 minus x. This one is 90 minus. You know why 90 minus x and 90 minus y? Because the external angle becomes 180 minus 2x, 180 minus 2y. You are bisecting it, therefore it is 90 minus x, it is 90 minus y. To understand why am I taking, okay, 2x and 2y, not x and y? You can take x and y also, but it becomes 90 minus x by 2, right? Now, if it is 2y, it is an isosceles triangle. Can I say this is also 2y? Yes or no? ADB, look at it, is isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal, therefore their opposite angles are also equal. Now, can you tell me what about this angle? 2x. Do the sum of angles in both the triangles. And I just want to find out this angle. Let it be theta. Now, what is theta? 2x plus 2y plus theta is equals to 180. Theta is equals to 180 minus 2 times of x plus y. Now, in the first one, you can say x plus 4y plus 90 is 180, which means x plus 4y is equals to 90. In the second one, if you look at 4x plus y is equals to 90. This is the first triangle. This one is the second triangle, right? Or else you can say this one is in what? ADB. This one is in ABC. If you combine both of them, 5 times of x plus y is equals to 180. X plus y equal to 36. Therefore, 2 times of x plus y is equals to 72. What I need is 180 minus 72 is or not 8 degrees. Okay, a little bit confusing, but you can see here 2a, 2y, 4y, 2x minus x is x. X plus 4y is equals to already 90 here. 180 minus 90 gives you 90. So I'm giving you x plus 4y is equals to 90. 4y, okay, same thing. 4x plus y is also 90. Right? Yeah. O is the circumcenter of triangle AO, triangle ABC. Given that BAC is equals to 85, BCA is equals to 55. What is OAC? It is the circumcenter. Now see, A is equals to how much? 85. C is equals to how much? 55. What is missing? B is missing. And what is B? 85 plus 55 is 140. So 180 minus 140 is 40 degrees. So I'm taking A, B here. This is 40. Can you tell me OAC? I told you 40 plus theta is 90 degrees. Therefore, what is theta? You have to remember this. If not, just see here. It is 40. At the center, it is 80. Double it. And what kind of a triangle it is? Isosceles. 2 theta plus 80 equal to 180. 2 theta equal to 100. 2 theta equal to 100 means theta equal to what? 50. But I just want you to remember this angle and this angle is always what? Complementary angles. That sum is always 90 degrees. Look at here. What is an angle here and here? I gave you OBC plus angle A is equals to what? Same thing with OAC plus angle B is equals to what? 90 degrees. OCA or else OCB plus angle C. Sorry. Angle A it is. A is done based on OC if you take it as B plus angle A is what? 90 degrees. Understood? Same is the case. Simply this angle and this angle or this angle and this angle. Both of them complementary angles. Complementary angles means their sum is 90 degrees. Copy that. In a triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC. And BA is produced to D. What is produced? BA is produced. So you draw a triangle in such a manner that BA should come. So I'm drawing a triangle. BA is produced. This one is B. This one is A. Triangle is what? I'll take it as ABC is a triangle. What is produced? BA is produced. Up to what point it is produced? Produced to D. So it is produced up to D, somewhere here. He says it is produced in such a manner that AC is equals to what? So AC is equals to what? AD. Now join this. And AB is equals to what? AC. It's all right. Okay. Now, if it is x degrees, what about this? Two sides are equal means their opposite angles are also what? Equal. It is also x. The moment you see in a triangle, two sides are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. Two sides are equal. If I take it as y, this is y. I can't take same x. I'm taking it as y. That also becomes what? Y. Now tell me in a total triangle, what is sum of angles? Angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 180 only, right? It is x plus y plus y. So can I say it is 2 times of x plus y equal to 180? Then what is x plus y? 90 degrees. And what is he asking? Angle BCD, which is x plus y, which is 90 degrees. Look at the sum of all the angles. X plus y, y, which means 2x plus 2y is equals to 180. X plus y is equals to 90. Yeah. Copy that. In an obtuse angle triangle ABC, angle A is obtuse angle and angle O is orthocenter. Then BOC is equals to 54. BOC means angle at the center, right? Then what is he asking you? He is asking you what is BAC. BAC means angle A. Okay. See, we have seen at in center angle at the center is 90 plus A by 2. This is the angle at the center at in center. At ortho, it is 180 minus A. At centroid, sorry, at circumcenter, it is 2 times of angle A. Yes or no? These are the things we have seen. Here is asking you ortho. Ortho means it is 180 minus how much? 54. 126. Yes or no? To internalize to internal angular bisectors means it is in center. At in center, what was the angle? At in center, it was 90 plus angle A by 2. Okay. What is it at ortho center? I said it is A means it is 180 minus A. What is it at circumcenter? If it is A, angle at the center is what? Can I say 2A? Right? And all the angles are same when it is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means if you substitute A is equals to 60, this becomes what? 90 plus A by 2. 90 plus 60 by 2 is 120. What is 180 minus 60? 120. What is 2 times of 60? 120. All of them becomes equal when angle A is equals to 60 degrees. You understand my point there? Yeah, but I want this 180 minus A. I'm just revising the basics. Okay. Look at 18th one. Angle ABC, O is an orthocenter, angle A equal to 50, angle B equal to 60. Therefore, what is missing? C. I'll draw with C. I'll take C here. And what is angle C? Can I say it is 70 degrees? Because A is equals to 50, angle B is equals to 60. Therefore, angle C becomes 180 minus 110. Now he's asking you BOD. And D is the foot of the altitude and BC. Foot of the altitude. Right? So what is BOD? I'll just extend a bit like this. Can I say if it is 70, it is 110? This is also 110. This one is 70. Because it is right angle. Orthocenter means it is also right angle. Right angle means 70 means it is how much? 110. Because the sum of these two angles should be 180. In a quadrilateral, total angle is how much? 60. To make it precise in terms of C, if don't take it as 70, take it as C. If it is C, can you tell me how much it is? 180 minus C. If it is 180 minus C, again this one is C only. Therefore, what is angle BOD? Angle BOD is same as angle C, which is angle 70. Understood? Copy that.